Hi guys, today we will discuss one of the famous interview question. Is the class name and file name must be same? Is the class name and file name must be same? If yes, if yes, if your class if your class is public, the class name and file name must be same. For example, C having a public, C having a public, then you can save C.java. If you are trying to save D.java, you will get the compile time error. Okay. One more example, one more scenario. If you see C and D, class C and class D having public, class C and class D having public, this time you are trying to save C.java, you will get the compile time error. If you are trying to save D.java also, you will get the compile time error. If here more than one class name is public, more than one class name is public, we will get the compile time error. Okay. First one is we'll do practically. Okay, we'll try practically. Okay, this is C.java. Okay, I saved in. Okay, here C.java. Okay, I'm trying to compile Java C.java. Okay, compilation is done. Now Java C. Okay, because here two dotless file will generated. Okay, because two classes is there. No, here two classes is there. Correct? Na? Class C and class D. Two dotless file will generate. Correct? Na? So here one more Java D executing. Yeah. Now in this scenario successful. Okay. If you're trying to save D.java, you will get the error. Okay. You will get the compile time error. Suppose one more scenario, second scenario, public class D. I'm trying to save C.java. Okay. Now I have to remove. Sorry. Now I'm trying to compile Java C.java. This time you will get the compile time error because already we discussed class D is a public. Okay, class D is a public. Class D is a public. Should be declared in a file name D.java. What it will suggest? D also public is there. You can save D.java. Then if you save D.java, that time also you will get the error. What is the you will get the error? Class C is public. You should be declared file name C.java. That time you will get the another error, right? So what I'm suggested, more than one class name is public, you will get the compile time error. Okay, if you only one class name is having public, that time you can save C.java. This is fine. So one more thing, one more. If class name and file name not same, when what time you will class name file name different. Okay, if your class is by default, if your class is by default, if you not mention, when you are by default class having default, whenever you are not mention access specifier public, this is suppose. Okay, if your class is by default, you can save the Java program with the different file name. You can save the Java program with a different file name. You need not save the Java program with the same class name. Okay, what I'm saying, if you are here if you are not mentioned class name as a public, then you can save different file name is a different and class name and file name is different. Same also no problem. Okay, you can say file name is same or different. That is not a matter. Okay, only you can remember whenever class has a public, only one class only. Okay, class name as a public. That time you can save the same class name is a file name is the same. Okay, class name and file name is same. Okay, other than you will get the compile time error. Okay, so what is the please note this one. it is a good practice to save the file name as the class name. You can note this one, okay? Note this point. It is a good practice to save the file name as a class name. Yeah, thank you guys.